Paano nga ba mag-set up ng ads on Reels sa Facebook? So, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-set up ng ads on Reels. In-invite ako ni Meta or ni Facebook April 14, yesterday, for ads on Reels. So, on the next video ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano maging eligible sa ads on Reels. So, for now, please continue on watching. And so, nandito na ako sa personal account ko. Click natin yung notification and ayan, makikita natin dito. Ads are now being shown on your Reels. Start earning from eligible Reels or turn off ads 28 minutes ago. So, click natin to. Ayan, ads on Reels is here. Create Reels, pursue your passion, and get paid for creating original contents. Earn money from ads on Reels. Get paid for plays. Your earnings will be based on the number of plays that you get in your eligible public Reels. So, get started. Ayan. Select your business info. So, I think ito yung setup ko sa payout account ko. Then, click next. Finish setup. Click natin. Then, choose how you'd like to get paid. Payments will be sent to this payout. You can change your payout at any time in settings. So, click natin to. Ito yung account na nilagay ko sa payout. So, link payout method. Ayan. Success. You can start earning money for ads on your Reels. So, ayan na guys. Na-set up ko na siya completely. Click done. Ito na siya guys. Pag na-set up nyo na, makikita nyo na yung earnings nyo. Yun lang guys. Bye!